So this is the part 2 mukbang. If you guys now watch part 1 and you guys like cooking, then I suggest you watch part 1 of our video. So now we are going to be putting in the beef, the ground beef that we got from Walmart. Or making the whole thing. So she just mushed it up. So we have her salt to taste. Make sure you don't put your fire on high because you're gonna have burnt meat and pink inside. Okay, it's gonna burn the outside and the inside's not gonna be cooked. How long you say it took? 45 minutes? No. I felt like a long time. They were not so like around like 4. Yeah, it took at least half an hour. It's a bit. What? Shorter?
Longer.
Oh, longer? An hour?
Mm-hmm.
Hot sauce?
Yes,
This fucking hole is mad big. That's just gonna come out. I'm gonna add some hot sauce because I like spicy food. I've never tried this one. That's better than Tabasco sauce.
Hmm?
I said that's better than Tabasco sauce. Never mind. My drink is pink.
No, I'm really
Hmm?
No, I'm really
I'm good. He's eating too. What made wrong? Like your bread? There's no more.
For you?
I love garlic bread. Now good. You like it?
It's alright.
My mom's better. Remember how it tastes like? That's how you
You
got
gotta
it?
use pasta sauce, not tomato sauce.
I don't think she was sauce at all. I don't even think she was sauce at all.
Yeah, this sauce in there.
It's obviously not hot. Probably still would have been if it was in a bowl. Oh, cheers?
No.
And why?
Because we gotta hurry up. My head is going.
Hey, she loosen up your scarf.
It's fucking tight. It's not as spread as a bandana.
Same thing. 8 minutes. You know, I've been here for like half an hour. Guys, she's coming back to Albany with me. Today, as you can see, I'm in a different setting. Okay, you guys, that was the mukbang. As you guys can see, we're both full as fuck or whatever. And yeah, overall was I probably wouldn't make it again, right?
Yeah.
No. But I like the garlic bread a lot, so. And yeah, anyways, if you guys like this video, this mukbang, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys turn your post notifications so you by every single time I upload my videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so today we're making beef and cheese tortellini. We went to Walmart to get our ingredients and we couldn't find the right pasta, so we just picked our own, which is the medium shells, the squares. You know, everybody